Hello, Aquarius. Welcome into your August reading. I hope I find you good and well. This is for your Sun, Moon, Rising, North Node, and Venus. If Aquarius is your sun sign and this doesn't resonate, do please check out your other signs. Another good tip is to go by the titles. If your gut or your intuition pulls you towards a title and you think that sounds like something that's going on with me at the minute, then go and watch that video. We have all 12 zodiac signs in our astrological birth chart. So there may be a sign that we don't normally look at, but at this moment in time, it may hold more clarity for us. So do trust your gut. If you see a title and you think that sounds familiar, there will be a message in there for you. So Aquarius, for August, what do we need to know? What does Aquarius need to know, please, for August? What is the energy for Aquarius for August, please? What do we need to know? What is coming up for Aquarius in August? Please and thank you. Transformation 29. Times are a change in Aquarius. You have been through something or you're currently going through something. Alchemy number 8. So, sorry, 29, 11 may be significant, 8, alchemy, 8 may be significant, 4, sacred desire. So we're either, time is fluid, so some of you may have already experienced this, you're in the middle of it, or you're coming towards completion of it. But there has been or is a transformation underway here. Abandonment number 7. 7 may be significant here. This may have been what the transformation is about. You may have mastered or overcome an abandonment wound here. 29, transformation, 8, alchemy, 4, sacred desire, and 7, abandonment. The letter A may be significant, first, middle, last name, or place. There are no matching numbers here. So the letter A may be significant. Take it as it resonates. So let's see, Aquarius, what do you need to know here for August? Communications coming in. 8 of Wands here. You're receiving communication about something or from somebody here. The Hanged Man. This communication is going to stop you in your tracks here. Something is going to stop you in your tracks, Aquarius. 4 of Swords really put you in. Now, this may have been something that has already happened. You received this communication and it stopped you in your tracks here. The Sun, it's brought something to light, or it will bring something to light here. It changes, this communication changes how you view something here. So you may have the realization here, I've been viewing something wrong, fated to happen. The truth is exposed here. So if you were thinking about something a particular way, you may receive communication here that makes you look at it differently. You may see something differently here. Why something happened, why you were told something. We have the Queen of Wands under the deck here. And Aries, Leo, Sag. You may get some information here about a Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag, and it makes you stop in your tracks here. Whatever way you've been viewing something, You get information here and it makes you look at it differently. Five of Swords. Were you manipulated about somebody? You may have abandoned somebody here, Aquarius, because you were manipulated about them. And you're getting some sort of information through here, communication that gives you a different viewpoint about that person. You're not happy. This is your energy. You're not happy about this. You're not happy about this. You're gaining clarity here. Somebody's communicating with you, and you're gaining clarity here that whatever manipulation you may have been told about a fire sign, masculine, feminine, take it as it resonates. You're now realizing that that wasn't the truth. The truth is now being exposed about something. I could be talking to an Aquarius here who's realizing that they may have stuck the knife in the back of somebody on the hearsay of what this Five of Swords energies were saying. Yeah, you didn't see it. Or somebody didn't see it. Aquarius, this could be somebody in your energy that stuck the knife in your back on the hearsay of others. You may be a fire sign, cross watching, or you have fire highly aspected. And this is somebody who done this to you, stuck the knife in your back on the hearsay of what the Five of Swords energies had to say. That's more than one person. Now they see. They now see here. 10 of Cups. Aquarius, this is either you that you're seeing that you stuck in a knife in the back of a fire sign energy on the hearsay of what these Five of Swords had to say about them. And in actual fact, you see this fire sign as family now. This fire sign was actually a genuine person. They were an honest person. This person didn't do what this Five of Swords energies said they did, or they're not the person that this Five of Swords energies were portraying them to be. You're now seeing the truth about this. I get soulmate vibes with this, with the sacred desire here. So Aquarius, if this is you, you're now realizing you may have stuck the knife in the back of a counterpart, or Aquarius, your counterpart is now realizing they stuck their knife in your back on the hearsay of these Five of Swords energies. They're now gaining clarity here about that. Somebody took the hearsay of the Five of Swords energies over someone who displayed the Ten of Cups energy. That's what's happened here. Let's get one of these, please. Whoa. Confidence. See, somebody didn't trust their own gut here. Somebody did not trust their own gut. This is somebody who listened to what other people had to say and took their advice over what they knew. Like somebody has a deep knowing now, the Hermit. But whenever this took place, they didn't have the self-confidence to, this is how I feel, this is what I think, I'm going to act on this. They listened to what others had to say and they took that advice and they listened to what they had to say. Confidence here is page 54. Let's see what they want to say. 54. A lack of confidence is blocking you from living your life to the full. It's about time you trusted in your own gifts and abilities, for self-doubt seems to be running the show. You already know the answers and you understand what's best for all, yet you still keep quiet and seek the opinion of others. This is what happened here. It's time to trust and believe in yourself. Daily positive affirmations will increase your feelings of self-assurance, and in turn, an appreciation for your unique qualities will increase. As new confidence shines forth, you're more readily available to share with the world everything you have to offer with strong conviction. You see, there could have been something here about abandonment. You have, or somebody had an abandonment issue wound. And these Five of Swords energies may have played on that. They knew that that wound was there. And then they played on it that, oh, don't go towards this fire sign because they'll just end up abandoning you. Somebody knew the buttons to press. Like this, these Five of Swords energies aren't people on the outskirts. These are people quite close. So Aquarius, this is either people around you, or Aquarius, this is people around a counterpart of yours. Like this is family, friends. This is like people they listen to, they take their advice. They think they have their best interests at heart, but this is malicious. Somebody maliciously told either you or your counterpart, don't trust the fire sign. They'll just end up abandoning you. And they knew that that was this person, or your biggest fear was being abandoned. Aquarius, if you resonate with this, I'm going to take it the extended. The link will be below. I'm going to take a deeper look here and see what we don't see coming here, what the blockages are and what the future energy looks like. And then we'll get more advice. So if you want to come along, the link's below, and members, we'll just keep going.